3, 2, 1, go!
What is explanation text? Explanation text is a text to provide a clear explanation. Usually, explanation texts contain explanations about social, natural, or cultural phenomena.
Snow is a natural phenomenon that is only found in countries that have a subtropical climate. Snow will fall in certain months, usually occurs in December. Snow will not occur in Indonesia because Indonesia has a tropical climate. Snow is white, soft, and melts. That's why snow can fall in Indonesia.
Snow comes from raindrops that have not yet fallen to the earth. By going through the freezing process by the wind and the atmosphere, the water droplets turn into small crystals, and in time the crystal will fall to the earth like rain. The climate of a country also affects the snowfall. If a country has a subtropical climate, the air in that country will automatically turn very cold and will eventually affect the rain. Snow will survive temperature around 0 derajat Celsius. If not in cold temperatures, the snow will melt or melt.
Generic structure. General statement usually contains general information about snow. Successed explanation explains how the process of forming snow. We can also explain using why and how question, so that our explanation is more comprehensive.
Language feature. The using of simple present tense now is a natural phenomenon that is only inherent in countries that have a subtropical climate. The using chronological connection before it becomes snow. Snow is raindrops that have not yet fallen to earth. Going through the process of fusion between and the after atmosphere, the water droplets turn into small crystal, and in the end crystal will fall to be air like rain. Using Fasis voice now is a small crystal formed from a raindrop going through the fusion process with the wind and the atmosphere. Using generic Fasis rain, wind, snow. Using action verbs fusion, melt process.
How is snow made? We all agree that snowfall is always fascinating. During the snowfall, everyone stays out of the house and plays with the snow. People can make giant snowmen, trample along the snow, or play snowball with their families. However, are you curious about how the snow is made?
Snow is water droplets falling in from the clouds. The droplets water become solid until finally is great snow.
It's happened because rain consists of water vapor particles being cooled in the air.
So heaviness when water flies off in the Earth's atmosphere freezes.
It happens before they turn into water droplets. This process occurs when the temperature in the cold becomes very high.
Flake is made by ice crystal thin from around small
study of trees in thin air.
They then grow from small forms into big ones. The form of snowflakes is varied. They can consist of 200 crystals maximum.
Good job!
Understanding of explanation text first. Explanation is a text which tells processing relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks.
The purpose of explanation text. 1. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. 2. To explain how or why something happens.
A general statement. In the general statement contains a general explanation of the phenomena to be discussed. It can be an introduction to the phenomenon or an explanation.
A sequence of explanation contains an explanation of the process why the phenomenon can occur or be created. A sequence of explanation in the form of the answer to the author why and how question when making an explanation text. In the sequence of explanation, it can contain of more than one paragraph.
3. Closing. Actually, closing is not listed in the generic structure of explanation text, but most people think that the last paragraph of an explanation text is closing, even though it is part of the sequence of explanation which contains about the final step described in the sequence of explanation section.
How a tsunami happens. We all know that tsunamis are a series of destructive waves and powerful. Tsunami is the deadliest wave because the wave speed is incredible fast. But do you know how tsunami happens?
Originate Japan. Zu meaning harbor and nami meaning wave. They are normally caused by landslide, earthquakes, volcanic eruption in or close to an ocean. After some sort of underwater disturbance, this causes energy to rise up to sea level, pushing water high into the air. Gravity kicks in and pulls down again, and then consequently causing the water to filter out into many different directions.
When a tsunami begins to approach the shore, the energy involved is compressed. As a result, the water is pushed up into the wave, resulting in a powerful tsunami. If the shock hits the shoreline first, it then causes the tide to drastically retreat.
So, tsunami happen because of natural disasters such as earthquake or volcanic eruption. People who live near the shoreline have to be careful because they are threatened by tsunami whenever there is an earthquake.
Good job!
How does rain fall? Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems.
It is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens? The rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle.
The concept of the water cycle involves the sun hitting the Earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. Then the water evaporates into the Earth's atmosphere.
The water in atmosphere cool and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall to the earth as precipitation.
However, not all the rain can reach the surface of the earth. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is what we call as virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry, desert region.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce views from the English group consisting of the Riden, Azahra, Andriana, Nita, Fadil, Alma, Sipa. How does rain fall? Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water of almost all people in the world.
It provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystem. It is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens?
The rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle. The concept of the water cycle involves the sun hitting the earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate.
Then the water vaporizes into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and into liquid droplets.
The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall to the earth as precipitation.
However, not all rain can reach the surface of the earth. Some evaporates while falling through dry air.
This is what we call as virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
Good job!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cindy Rizkyani.
My name is Neneng.
My name is Fitri.
Here we will explain the meaning of the explanation text. You understanding explanation text? Explanation text is a type of the next English that describe a process. Talking about the process, this text is almost the same as producer text. However, its producer text describe how to do something. This text explains how a process occurs. That's why we can know that explanation text serves to provide information to the reader about a process.
Characteristic of explanation text. There are several characteristics of this text, namely using simple present tense. This text uses the simple present tense because this text explanation text using action verbs. Action verbs are verbs that are used to describe an action that is taking place. Express create and so on. The use of passive voice aims to emphasize the focus on the happenings rather than the subject. Using noun phrases. Using noun phrases using the technical tense related to the topic discussed in this text. Process generic structure of explanation text. There are two forms of the explanation text, namely
General statement. General statement contains general information about the topic to be discussed in the text. Explanation contains a series of events, sequence of events of a process which is the topic of the text. We can also explain using why and how questions, so that our explanation is more comprehensive. The closing section is optional or does not have to be in this text.
This section may contain additional information or the author's opinion on the topics covered.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi